Hey, what is up, guys? Today I would like to introduce the difference between the military jacket used by the soldier and the officers or the NCOs. So let's take a look at the jacket on the left side, the one with a yellow triangle. So, Korean military soldiers rank looks like this, it's just like red lines. So when you first enroll in the military, you will have the first like only one line, and you got the second, and you got the third, and usually you would ended up have four of the red line when you're about to discharge. So you can tell from the patches, right? And officers jacket, they wouldn't be patches like that. Usually only unit patches would be on the arms, and usually there would also be unit patches on the soldier's jacket, but sometimes they don't have it. And so this is the rank, and the rank of officer's jacket is shows on the shoulder strap. So this one have two white thing, which means he's a lieutenant. And we can also identify from the name tag sometimes. Let's take a look at the officer's name tag. Officer's name tag has Korean name on top and the English name below the Korean name, and it's the same because Korean military, I think in the 90s they started to use the same kind of name tag on soldiers and officers, but in the 80s soldiers name tag would be the Korean name in the middle, a kind of like more below the current location, and there would be series number on top of the Korean name. Yeah. And there's also some difference you can tell very easily. So they use a buckle to hold the shoulder strap here, but the officers one and the NCO's one is with this kind of little thing, I don't know how to say it, also a buckle, I think. And the arm part is also different. So the officers version adopt the same design with the shoulder parts, but the soldiers is different. Soldiers is for they use this kind of buckle to control it for the adjustment. So, and it also says different. You can also tell the difference from the name of the product on the label. But I'm guessing most of the people like me don't know Korean, so just forget it. And technically this is my introduction for today. I hope you guys can understand, because I have poor English. And then technically the design of the Korean military jacket is kind of like a copy of M51, and they also have the M65 version later on. Like it come in all kind of camo. If I have it, I'm gonna introduce it. I'm gonna take a video and introduce it. So there's so many difference, so many detail on the difference between the soldier's jacket and the officer's jacket, but it all changed after early 2000 when the Korean military started using the wooden camo. The soldier's jacket also have the buckle like this, all of them. Yeah, and that's it for my video today. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe.